Actually, I thought this could be a nice video. I'm programming the Golf Guru app and I need basically to recreate this profile that the client gave me. So there are a couple of things to do. I already started with the background. As you can see here, I changed the color so that is programmatical. And now we can go on. We have an image which is 67 by 67. I'm simply adding it. Okay. 67 times 67. It's all rounded. Now let's center it somehow. Okay, this looks good. Yeah. Okay. Now we have the username, which is 20. Let's pick something which is already similar. I think this one is good. Now we can put it here. It was okay, it's there. That's fine. Okay, looks good to me. Now this is in a special color. I'm just taking the color, which is this one. Don't ask me why my computer is like completely fucked. Oh, okay, now it works. Very good. So this one is in this color here. Good. What about this font size? It should be a little bit bigger, so I think it's 18. Looks good. Bold. Looks good. Then we have two other things: email address and membership status. I will just simply copy this 2 times. Okay. And now this one should be a bit smaller. This one as well. Okay, looks better to me. Okay, let's just put this in line. And now this looks good. Yep. Now we just fill what is that. So the username is the first one is the username. Logged in user. Full name in our case. The name will be the email address. Okay, I wouldn't put it there, but it's fine. And this one is the membership name. So I think I have this property. Subscription, I think. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. Now let's do something like database, logged in user profile image, but let's also put a placeholder image, which I want it to be, I believe it was inside here, nothing inside here, very bad. Well, let's put this one, or this one, which is more professional. Okay, now we have a button. I will just copy the button from somewhere else I have. I think should be around here, exactly, here we are. This looks perfect for us. Okay, and this button should do membership settings. I would do like edit profile, which is a bit better. Yeah, let's delete the actions. Edit profile would be like this. Looks good to me. Now we should link it to somewhere else, but we don't have the screen at the moment. Now this is the complex part. We have to create these 4 bars with this background color. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is your golf IQ, and then we go on with the next ones. Yeah. So we take one similar stuff, we paste it here. Unfortunately, with the video recording, Adalo is a little bit slower, but it looks okay. Yeah, maybe a little bit less strong. Well, detail matters, and if the client wants these ones, I will put these ones. I think it should be enough with bold and 24, maybe also 23. Yeah, maybe no, 24. It's better. Okay. Now we need this one, but we will do it later on. Now we need this part, and this is quite interesting. So there is the standard component from Adalo, which is not bad, but also we need the background like this, and this is sort of customized. So let's do how the client wants. So I will add a simple, in this case, rectangle. And I will choose the dimensions he put here. I think I can access them, hopefully. Yeah, it's 265 times 19. That's great. Let's put it, oh no. Okay, let's check the rounding. Yeah, there is some rounding, so I will put it as well. Rounding, yeah, we have to go in detail. Looks pretty much the same. Okay, then of course here there is more space between the two, like this looks better. Now we have to also pick the color. Color is this one. And from here, background, I put the same color. Let's go. Do we have any shadowing? No, we don't. Great. So I will not put any shadow. Opacity is full, and that is fine. Okay, this is the first part of our component. Now we need the second part, which is customized component, which is from installed components, progress bar. Let's dump it inside here, and of course this will finish. This will start at the end of it, and yeah, it will be like this. But you see that this is now a mess, right? But the background color, we can put it as the one we wanted. That's great. And now he wants this of this color, right? So we put the other color inside here. That looks very good. Now we need also to, you see, he wants 6 PTs. Unfortunately, we don't have them, but we can try. So this is free. I think this could be 6 or well, I think like this is not bad. Maybe this is more than 6 actually. But yeah, this is now perfect. He wanted it to start not from the beginning, but at least a couple of PTs there. Actually, the client wanted a little bit smaller, so let's go for smaller as well. Yeah, like this, and then we center. This is centered and looks perfect. Now the client doesn't want any rounding, so this is good. And yeah, I believe that's it, right, at the moment? Yeah, we can simply put this here. And this looks fantastic to my eyes, actually. Yep, that's good. So what we want to do now is to copy everything 4 times, 5 times for the other things, and then add those stuff there. To be faster, okay, 1 second. I think this is too much. Okay, something very weird happened, but we can fix that. I think we want more there, and also, yeah, like this looks better to my eyes. Yes. Good. Now we want to copy this. First, we want to make a group out of it. So we will treat this as a single object. And great. Now we can copy this. 1 and 2. I pasted it, and now we can do the second one. This should be in line, right? Okay, you see here I have already made a little mistake here. So what I do is I want to make those 2 things exactly in line. That's great, and this one should be okay. They should be perfect now, so I can start again. 1, 2, copy, paste, put it down here. That's great. Now we see that this one is way smaller, and we will do smaller as well. And this is like focus. Okay, let's go for focus. Okay, what is this? I think this could be 18. No, less than that. 16. How much did he do? He did 15. I think then 14 should be good. Yeah. And this should be semi-bold. And we can put it like this. That looks good to me. You see now I made a little bit mistake again. Yeah, this looks good. Now what we can do is to put these guys where we want. Yeah, I think a little bit more compact looks better than in case we modify it for the customer. Yeah, let's go for a little bit more compact, so less space used for this stuff. Okay. Yeah, even more compact. One thing more, a little bit more. Brilliant. Now we can copy this one and paste it. Before doing that, actually, there is this button, so let's add this button. So, okay, he made, okay, this should be interesting. Let's create that button exactly as he wants. So, that button will be, first of all, simple circle. That's great. And 16 by 16, that's good. Edit style 16 by 16. Then we do not want any background. We want the border. Let's check which color it is. This looks like the previous color, so we take the color from here and we put it here. And the border should be 1, right? Yep, looks good. Now we can put this at the end. Okay, pay attention. You need this one to be smaller so that the circle can fit here. Okay, a little bit more, like more near to the center. Looks quite good. Looks very good. And you see now there is space for both. Actually, this one is good also if you do like this. Now we need to put something inside here, which is a question mark. Let's take text. Now this has to be very, very, very little, and the text that we put in is this one. What's the color of it? The color should be this one, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Why I don't see it? Okay, it looks like I don't see it anymore. So how can I find that one? I think it's text something inside here. Text label, not this one. I don't find it anymore. That's fine. That's funny. Maybe because it's not here anymore. I deleted it somehow. Yeah. Then we can try it again. Let's try to put it here this time. Let's put this. Okay. The color should be this one. That's good. Now the size should be extremely small. Good. And also the size here should be something like 6 or 7. Good. Now we can plug this inside the circle. This is not centered. Now it is perfect. We can make, you know what, maybe a little bit bigger is good as well. So something like 9. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to center it again. Looks good. Quite good. Do we want it stronger than this? No, this looks quite good. Make group, and now we have our question mark here. Good. We can copy it and put it also here. How does it look? Not terrible, not great. He wants it here, okay. Yeah, for this, maybe the design, like a little bit more space between stuff should be better, but we can. Okay, now that we have it, we can copy it. This will be for the other points, and then we can do it again for the third one. I think this looks quite cool, actually. Now we have to change the colors. Let's just use the colors he provided. Progress bar, color, input color. Okay. Then we take this color here. Of course, I'm sure he will ask to modify these colors thousands of times, but it is what it is, right? And this is the last one. Good. Okay. Okay, I like his the most, but there is time to modify what we did, right? Okay. And here he put focus, calm, and confidence. We just put focus, so let's put calm, confidence. Brilliant. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad. And then this is the end of the rectangle. I like it a little, yeah, maybe a little bit more compact like this. Yeah, something like that, like this. And the trick is done. Of course, we can make it, to make it more similar, we should change the background color to the real color, like this one. But then you see that there is a problem with the background, so I will wait for him to give me the color that he really wants, because you see we can play around with it. The design doesn't look bad. And okay, we can move forward. Moving forward, yeah, let's just stay with okay, let's take his color, okay, so that it will look exactly the same. Unfortunately, okay, yeah, this now looks more of what he did. Yeah, not bad. Good. What we need to do now is your favorite sessions, which will be interesting because we need to check which components Adalo have. So copy, paste. I will just drag this down. I don't know where was it. Yeah, it was at the beginning of the rectangle, so we put it as well there. Yeah, it is. It looks good. Just to be sure. Okay. This was called Your Favorite Sessions, and it has a 23, so it should be like 20. This should be like 90 bold. Looks good. And now here he wants some rectangles with the same color as above. Okay. With the title. The problem is that I cannot create this as a customized list, because the customized list just go down and doesn't allow us to scroll horizontally. So here I need to create something different, I believe. Let's go to lists. Let's check what we have here. We have card list, image list, horizontal card list. This is interesting. Yeah, this looks interesting. Either this one or custom list. With the custom list, I think I cannot do the horizontal stuff. Let's try that, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and we use the other one. So let's give a quick try. I will just put a rectangle as he wants. Yeah, let's check the dimensions. So it's 146 and 80. 146 times 80. And well, the color we don't actually care, but let's just put it. Okay. And yeah, let's also, to show you, let's put the shadow, which will make it looks more similar to what we have here. Okay, we want to transform this to a horizontal list. That would be cool, actually. I don't think Adalo allows us to do that. So the correct way should be make list. As you can see here, is already horizontal. And well, this is a list of what? I believe it's a list of audios, filter, audio favorite. But as you can see here, there is no way to make this a horizontal list. So yeah, unfortunately I need to use a customized component, because the maximum I can do is like do 4 columns, but you see then, yeah, there is some problems to do that. Yeah. Then let's go for the standard options and let's make it beautiful. At least we try. which is horizontal card list. Wow, there will be some work to do, I think. Okay. We said that this is a list of audios, and these are the user's favorite audios. We don't care about the sorting, image options. Yeah, this will be the user image, I guess. We can make it way smaller. Something like this. Image overlay. Okay. Image options. Shape. I think it's landscape. Okay, this looks better. That's right. The smallest possible. Rounding looks good. Horizontal card list. If there is no image, let's show a placeholder image so you can also see how it is coming. This was on the desktop, I guess. Yep, Golf Guru. And we can select the item spacing, which should be a little bit less than this. Okay. Why isn't it showing there? I think this is a little bug. And we have no clue of what should be here, but I believe it will be enough to have the audio title, and here we will put a play button so you can go again to your favorite session. So let's do that. Image options, rounding looks fine. Shadow, yeah, why not? Why not? Let's use the shadow. The overlay, bottom overlay looks fine. What is this? Oh, okay. No, I believe this is better. The title is audio title, correct. Subtitle, we don't want any. Actually, maybe it could be interesting to have something like audio feedback. No, it's not feedback, sorry. It is current audio. Yep. Length in minutes. But now in this way the list will look very ugly. I will make it look better because I would like to do something like this. But you don't see anything. Then I will modify this. I will delete and I will write here a new formula, and inside the formula I will use the same thing. And in this case, we can see how it looks like, right? Now we can customize the aspect of it. And I would say that the audio title, we make it in the user color, that the color of the user that our client wants, which is, let me find it. Yeah, here we are. Now we want this color. Okay, it looks bad, but with the image it will look better. And maybe bold and bigger. Bold and I cannot change the. Oh wow! I cannot change the the size. Okay, well then like this should be fine, I guess. Yeah, maybe let's do this like light, which is less important. Okay. Okay. The subtitle position. You know that maybe like this looks better, but I would like to do this the subtitle way smaller, but unfortunately I can't. So I will try to use a little bit of magic here to make it look smaller. Yeah, like this it looks smaller. Okay, now the icon. This is where the fun is arriving. We want a play button. Here we are. We put it in our color, because the image then will be, yeah, and we want it, I think, a little bit bigger, please. Let me do it bigger, please. No, I cannot. But it's not so bad. Okay. Well, of course, if he goes to play, we have to tell him go to, in this case, single audio. I called that screen this way. We don't have the current audio category either, so this could be a problem. Or not. No, I don't think that is a problem, but we will discover it afterwards. Okay, top left icon. Okay, I could add other icons. Okay, I don't want them. Bottom bar text, let's check. Where is it? Ah, okay, no, definitely we don't want it. Bottom bar buttons, no thanks. Bottom bar style. Okay, and I think I don't want this either. That's good. This should be our favorite sessions, pretty much as the client desired. And now we need to do also, I think he put twice this stuff. One will be the favorite sessions and the other are the drill sessions. So yeah, he is starting here, you see, so I will try to match his desires. Something like this should be fine. Yep. And then this has to be down here as well, a little bit more near. I hope this doesn't crash because it really could be, you know. Okay, now this has to end here. And this now can go a little bit above. You know, I like all the things packed. I hope it doesn't kill me to do so. And we can now go to the next one, which is, I think like this should be fine. Let's check. No, you see, I was completely wrong. So what I'm gonna do here is just taking this as a reference and matching it. Good. Now this is working. And yeah, this could be okay. We have to change drill sessions. Good. And here, unfortunately, I don't have the database ready for it. And so we will just repeat the same thing for the moment. Here we put here. You see here the progress value, we did not put anything. Progress value will be the logged in user. We have to go through the not score feedback, golf IQs. Okay, either we go for the golf IQs sum or we go for the golf IQ cumulative. Okay, but we just have the total. No. So we go golf IQ, total, sum. Good. Then here we go for logged in user, golf IQs, focus, sum. And here we go for logged in user, golf IQs, hello, call, sum. And then here we go again for logged in user, golf IQs, confidence, sum. That's great.